Okay, hello everyone. Today is the first day of July and I have the perfect number of attendees for this class. Now, I will present to you a text, an authentic text from EnglishExercises.org, and I want you to read it silently for 3 minutes, okay? I will be sending you a copy of the text in our Google chat box too. So, you can read this text now. Okay, after reading the text, I want you to list all the activities that Mary did on weekdays, Saturday and Sunday, and I want you to arrange them according to the days mentioned. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will be given 3 minutes again to arrange the activities. Now, can someone tell us what your answers are? Anyone? Anyone? Then,
Volunteer, ma'am.
okay, Miss Benaventura.
For weekdays, we have get up early. For Saturday, we um, have piano lessons, have lunch, go to the cafe and ask for an ice cream.
Okay.
Lastly, for Sunday, we have go out for lunch, go to the beach and go to the cinema.
Okay, do you have the same answer with Miss Benaventura? Miss Abigail.
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. So this time, what I want you to do is to identify all the activities that Mary did and match them with the words always, usually, never, and sometimes. And based on the text you have read earlier, okay? You just have to match the activities that were under these words. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
be given another 2 minutes for this task. Okay, so are you done? Let us have your answers. Anyone? Any volunteer?
Ma'am Javier,
Okay, Mr. Javier.
in always get up at 7 o'clock,
Okay,
have piano lessons,
okay,
go out for lunch,
okay. What about in usually? Anyone?
Raymunda, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Raimundo.
Under the word usually, we have lunch and go to the
Okay,
cinema.
okay. What about for the word never?
Ma'am,
Okay,
as for never, we have get up and buy an ice cream.
okay. What about the last word sometimes?
For sometimes, we have go to the cafe and go to the beach.
Good job. So, now class, I want you to focus on the underlined words in these sentences. We sometimes go to the cafe and I always ask for an ice cream. So my question is, what did you notice from the underlined words?
Raymunda, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Mundo.
They pertains to an event that happens repeatedly.
Okay, that's good. Any other answers?
Ma'am,
Okay, Ms. Buenaventura.
um, those are words that indicates how often a routine or an activity happens.
That's correct. So these words that determines how often or how frequent an activity happens were called adverbs of frequency. And aside from that, as you can see, we have the sentence construction for an adverb. It comes between the subject and the verb. So our pattern for a sentence construction is subject plus adverb and plus verb. Okay, in the first sentence, can someone please tell us what is the subject, adverb, and the verb? Anyone?
Raimundo, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Raimundo.
We is the subject.
Okay.
Sometimes is the adverb of frequency used. And go to the cafe is the verb.
Okay, what about the next sentence?
Javier, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Javier.
The subject is I, while always is the adverb of frequency, and the verb is ask for an ice cream.
Okay, very good. So it seems like you already understand the pattern in using adverb of frequency. Can someone please repeat the pattern for sentence construction in adverb of frequency?
Ma'am,
Okay,
Bonaventura pa.
okay,
Adverbs come in between the subject and the verb.
that's correct. Now, I want you to construct your own sample sentence by using one of the verbs we used earlier from the example text. Don't forget the patterns we used, okay?
Yes,
You-
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
You have a minute to do this task. Okay, now who wants to volunteer and give their own sentences?
Raimundo, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Mundo.
She always goes to the cafe with him.
Okay, is Miss Raimundo's answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now give your own sample sentence, Miss Buenaventura.
I always sleep early.
Okay, that's good. So it really seems like you understand the topic for today. So to check your understanding, here's your last task. I want you to create at least 3 to 5 sentences about your routine for a week using the adverbs of frequency, and you must follow the pattern discussed earlier. So I will call someone later for their answer and share it with the class. Is that okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you will be given another 5 minutes for this exercise. Are there any questions or clarifications?
No, ma'am.
None, ma'am.
Okay, you may begin. Okay, 5 minutes is up. It seems like everybody's done as well. So who wants to volunteer and share their answers in the class? Anyone?
Ma'am,
Okay.
I never drink coffee in the morning. I always wake up early to catch the school bus. I usually listen to music after working on my assignments. I sometimes went to the library to study too.
Very good. So you already understand and remember the discussion for today. So do you have any questions or clarifications about the topic for today?
No, ma'am.
None, ma'am.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
if there are no questions, that's all for today. Thank you for participating, and I had fun in this discussion. That's all for today. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.